If you are someone that you have outgrown the life that you have and you want something different, particularly around your job and your career, that is perfectly okay. Don't feel bad about it. Don't feel like you would disappoint anyone. Sometimes individuals stay in a job and a career because it has taken so much time and work to be at this place in the career. You could have some certifications, you could have some degrees in a field, but you have outgrown it. It's not what you want anymore. You're not excited about it. And because you have put so much time into it, your family have been so proud of you for your success around it. You may feel like you need to just stay in it. There is nothing wrong with wanting something different. Life is an experience. We don't always know what we want, or we realize once we have gotten into something, it's not what we expected. So if you are in that career path and you want something different, then determine what you want, the direction that you would like to go, and create a plan to pivot into something else. I am by no means suggesting that you up and quit your job. But if you know that you want something different, you know the direction that you would like to go, and for some people that is starting their own business, you can start your own business in something that you are excited around. You could coach, you could be a consultant, you could create a course, you could be a service provider. There are so many things that you can do in your own business. And it could be that the job or career that you're in, you don't like the particular path that you're on. Perhaps you can take some aspects of that job and create something, the aspects that you like, and create a business around that. Determine your why. And if this why is for more peace of mind, some career paths are going to have a high level of stress. That's just the nature of the career. Some are going to have a high emotional level of stress. If either one is the case for you and you have determined I want to do something different, that's okay. You may want to make a hard pivot and do something completely out of the norm of the path that you're on. That's okay as well. The real challenge is to create a plan, work that plan so that you can make a pivot when it is the right time for you. Being stuck, feeling stuck, is a real feeling. That's why it's important that you acknowledge that feeling, think about what is causing that feeling and the thought behind it, and take action if you want something different. I hope for you that you will really make a decision to become unstuck. That is the first step. Make a decision and create a path around how you can strategize to get into something that you really would like to do. Discover what it is that would light you up, create a plan around it of how you can achieve it, have a strategy of how you can create the income to equal or replace your existing income. If you are someone that you feel that you have outgrown your life and you want something different, you have to think of what you can do to place yourself in a different place or to go after this other skill set that you want. Or maybe you're someone you want to start your own business, but you feel like you can't do anything because of your circumstances. And the reality is that we can let our circumstances be blown up more than what they are. Our circumstance is what creates the thoughts that we have. So if we can examine our circumstances and come to the correct thought, instead of having a thought that has no evidence to support it, we can move forward in what we want. So, for example, if you know that you have outgrown the career or the job that you are in, first identify what you would like to do. If you would like to start your own business, then why not set that as a goal? Do not talk yourself out of it because of I'm too far into my career or I have this responsibility. Anything that you want and desire, if you work hard enough for it and have a plan, you can achieve it. It's having the right thought behind it. Being stuck is nowhere to be, and I don't want that for you. So I would like for you to grab this free guide that I've created entitled Tap into Your Zone of Genius and Monetize It. I have a prompt template that you can put into ChatGPT, and you plug in information about yourself that will help kind of reveal what might be a good path for you. So do grab this guide. It's in the description below. And I do hope that you will find a way to get unstuck and find a path that works for you. I thank you for coming by to watch this video. Do come back, subscribe, and come back, because I will continue to talk about mindset, continue to talk about moving forward in life in a way that's going to bring you joy and happiness, and having doing something that you really love that excites you. That's what we all want. So I hope to see you in the next video.